Hey guys, we're about to cook some hot dogs over the fire. We're gonna try to make fire with a knife and a fire steel. Y'all stay with me, hopefully I can get this going. So what you need to make this fire, you can use cotton balls, toilet paper, some kind of petroleum jelly, Vaseline, whatever. Put it on the, whatever you're trying to ignite, it'll help it burn longer. So, all right, now let's go make some fire.
Look at you.
And you don't have to have that, but it does make it easier.
Gave her a bath in the sink then.
Did you?
Yeah.
What'd she think about that?
She just trying to get everything she could. Put it in there with it. Here's our sticks. You brought them, huh?
I did.
I forgot about them. Not really the right time of year to do this.
A little warm.
But can't ever go wrong. Whew. You don't have to stand here as long as I do. I'm a little bit burnt, a little toasty.
See that other bone. They had to get me one more going. We'll break that up.
There you go.
I was gonna wait just a second. Waiting around you. Hard to beat a campfire hot dog.
Yep.
Oh, I mean, I will need another bond. Are you trying to take them up?
No.
Oh.
I'm just gonna bring them over here for when you get ready. Oh, what the heck is that?
Katie did.
Oh my God, that scared the crap out of me.
I thought you done stepped on a frog.
I did too. Can I kill it?
No, don't kill
Why?
it. Ain't no need to kill it.
Are they not harmless? I mean, are they
They're harmless.
They are harmless?
Yep.
Just scares you?
Just, yeah. It's either Katie did or Cicada. I can't remember.
Cicada. It needs to go on somewhere. You see it?
Needs to skedaddle.
Skedaddle.
Cicada needs to skedaddle.
Let's see if I can put them on here and show it to the camera. Show you this thing that's.
You got a light on it?
That little bug right there. Don't know if you can see it or not. Makes a weird noise. Let's see if I can make him make the noise.
Yeah, he nosedived, didn't he?
I don't know where he went to.
He's straight up and down in that blade of grass. See him?
Mm-mm.
Alright. See that blade of grass right there in the lights on? He's sticking straight up and down in it. Nope. You're right over him.
Oh,